you can play keyboard. If you have hands, you can play keyboard. This and the other series are designed to teach you how to play the keyboard from the beginning to the advanced level, whether you know little or nothing about music. The smallest interval on the keyboard is known as semitone or half step, followed by 2, followed by 3, followed by 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Can you see that on your own keyboard? Alright, now let's take the group of 2 black keys and name the white keys all around it. The group of 2 black keys. Let's take this for an example. The white key to the middle left side, before F we have E, so this is F, followed by G, followed by A, and followed by B.